this video, I'm going to explain one of the most powerful but underused modules of the system called My Review. It says that it'll take a few moments to calculate. Would you like to continue? Click Yes. You'll see a panel on the left with a list of items from the Prodigy library. Let's use the slider at the top of it to widen the list so we can view it a little easier. If you click the items, they'll appear in the panel on the right. What most people assume about this list is that it's based on material that they've missed from exams, and this is exactly true. However, that's not a complete description. While you're taking exams in the background, ProdigyConnect has a system that monitors every question you answer, and for every specific topic in the NBCRNA Candidate Handbook, it predicts the odds that you're going to miss the next question in that topic. Not only that, it looks at the odds that that topic will actually appear on boards. If you're not aware, the NBCRNA Candidate Handbook provides an outline that shows the percentages that each topic will appear on the exam. For example, airway management is much more likely to appear on the exam than, say, aortic stenosis. Using that information, My Review is able to combine the calculations into a number that helps answer the question, which topic are you most likely to see on boards and miss? It uses that information to prioritize the list of topics for you at that particular moment in time. So right now it says that the topic that I am most likely to see on boards and miss is anesthetic delivery systems, and it provides the material for me to study. Ideally, what I would do is after each exam, I would open up My Review and study the materials, focusing more on the materials at the top of the list since they're the statistically most relevant. If I improve at anesthetic delivery systems, then on my next exam, my scores should start to improve in that area as well, and anesthetic delivery systems will start to trickle down the list as the next statistically most relevant topics percolate up to the top. So My Review acts as a feedback mechanism, constantly telling you what's the most important thing you need to study today. Every time you answer another question and open up My Review, it recalculates all of the information. As you continue to take exams and study My Review in between each simulation exam, then the system is constantly narrowing the gap between the information you have and the information you need in order to pass boards.